in manufacturing environments, people often get promoted because of their technical skills. And when they are in their role, then leadership excellence becomes one of the expectations. And this gap is actually costing the company performance, retention, and culture. Adrian, what are your thoughts on this topic?
Karin, this is a great topic. Both of us have seen this happening many times. Technical person, fantastic that they have these skills, are exceptionally good at what they do. When they are being promoted to lead people, everything changes. You're no longer dealing with a piece of equipment, now you're dealing with people, which is a whole new challenge altogether. It requires new skills, understanding people's personalities, people's needs, wants, and so on. Unless the employee who got promoted develops those skills through various avenues, mentorship, coaching, to name a few, that employee most likely will underperform in the new role. Now, Karin, what are some of your observations from working with manufacturing companies when it comes to promoting technical people?
Well, I think this is true actually in any environment. When we grow, when we get promoted, we have to develop new skills. So if we expect people to get better, we have to get better in our role as a leader. And I think the main thing that people often struggle with is it's really about looking at themselves from a different perspective. There's a real identity shift happening. So people get from being the doer, that's why they were promoted, to really becoming the thinker. There is a requirement of thinking more strategically, having critical thinking skills. And obviously, in a leadership role, when you're all of a sudden responsible for a group of people, you need to develop exceptional people skills. So I really want people to think about this, that we often set up people for failure by not giving them the right support.
Hmm. Great observations, Kari. So to sum it up, from being the doer to becoming the thinker and the one developing your team members.
Mhm.
This was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.